Hello, 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 hello. Mega love shout out everyone. Good morning. Good morning to all the subscribers and followers of this channel, especially to my students and their parents. Um, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button. 3, like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4, subscribe. Okay, our lesson for today is evaluating simple and complex algebraic expressions. This is for week 4, day 1 and 2 for the second quarter. From the most essential learning competency, evaluates algebraic expressions for given values of the variables, and the objective is to evaluate simple and complex algebraic expression for a given value of the variable. Now, before that, we will review the PEMDAS. Now, what is PEMDAS stands for? PEMDAS stands for parentheses, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Now, PEMDAS rule. The PEMDAS rule, an acronym for Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally, is a set of rules that prioritize the order of calculation, that is, which operation to perform first. Otherwise, it is possible to get a multiple or different answers, so we don't want that to happen. So we need to follow the PEMDAS. Alright, so let's have this example. So let us review your knowledge about the simple integers or complex integers now using the PEMDAS. Okay, remember, so you will use the PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, A for exponent, and then M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Okay? So, laging huli ang subtract. Next, number 1, we have 2 plus 6 equals 8 times. So, we know that 5 square is 5. Yeah, times 5. Okay. So, we have 8 times 25 is equals to 4 and 200, no? But ang laki naman. So 200. Okay, so that is 200. Next, number 2, we have 5 plus the quantity 4 times 3. So 5 plus 4 times 3 equals 12, no? Or simply 5 plus 12. 5 plus 12 equals 17. Yan. And then we have 4 times 2 times 5. 4 times 2, 8 times 5. 8 times 5 equals 40. 40 plus 7 minus 10 equals negative 3. Okay? So 40, that will become 40 minus 3 equals 37. Alright, next. So we have quantity 5 times 2, so that is 10. No? And then 5 plus 5 is another 10. Okay. Ang gulo ng kamay ko. So 10. 5 times plus 5 is 10 also. Minus 10. So 10 times 10 is 100. Minus 10 equals 90. Okay? So 90. Excuse me. So we have here fraction, no? So let's start from the top. 5 minus 10 is equals to negative 5. Okay. Minus 3 times 5 equals 15. Next, let's go to the bottom. Negative 7 plus 2 is negative 5. Okay. Minus 25 minus 10 is 15. So, if we're going to rewrite that, that will become negative 5 minus 15 over 5 minus or negative 5 minus 15. Okay? So, the same now. Negative 5 minus 15 is negative 20. So let we combine because they have the same. So negative 20 also. So negative 20 divided by negative 20 is equals to positive 1. Alright? Let's circle all the correct answers. Now, we have here a complex example. No? So remember our PEMDAS. So parentheses, exponent, and also applicable for GEMDAS or groupings, no? G for groupings. So, in other countries, they have different language. We call it PEMDAS, like that, no? B for braces. But it's the same with PEMDAS, no? Okay, so we have here 2 plus. So we will start from the very, no? So we will start from the very parenthesis, yung pinaka, no? Pinaka. So, 5 plus 2 equals 7. Okay, ang gulo na ng kamay ko. Erase muna, erase. So, we have, okay, 7. Alright, so next. So, 7. Then, 2. Eight. So, next, we need to multiply 3 times 7. 3 times 7 equals 21. So, gagawin natin. So, we just add, no? Because here, 3 times 7, no? So, 21. Okay, next. 7. Then 2. Then multiply. Okay. Ibahin natin yung ano nitong isa kasi magulo na. That will become, let's go back natin doon sa kanyang original na ano. So, 2 times 21 plus 8 equals 29, no? 29. Then, 7 times, alright, so, 2 times 29 equals 58. And then, 58 times 7. The answer is, so the final answer is 400. Magpasa sa board, ano? 406. I don't know kung nakikita nyo pa. So, the final answer is 406. Okay. So, you need to follow the rules. Okay. So, next, let's go back from the last page, no? Now, from the this one, no? So, given x 2, or x is equals to 2, then y is equals to negative 4. So, what are we going to do? Substitute the value of x and y to the following. So, for example, 2x. So, substitute natin yung value ng x. So, 2 times 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. Then, 3 times the value of y is negative 1. So, 3 times negative 1 is equals to negative 3. Then, 9 minus, okay, magulo na naman ang kamay ko. 9 minus 2. So, that is 7. And then, we have 4 over 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then, 7 plus y. So, 7 plus, the value of y is negative 1. So, magiging 7, because negative times positive is negative. So, minus 1. The answer is 6. Alright? Okay, so here we are now. Example number 1. So, find the value of the expression x plus 3. No? So, when x is equals to 4. So, for the solution x plus 3, substitute the value of x. So, the x is 4, no? So, we have 4 plus 3 equals 7. Alright? Next, so evaluate 9x minus 8y minus 2 if x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. So, for our solution, we have 9x minus 8y minus 2 equals 9. So, because if you are no, ibig sabihin multiply 2 minus 8 times 3 minus 2. So, we have 18 minus 24 because 8 times 3 is 24 minus 2. So, we have 18 minus, then we need to combine this because they have the same sign. So, 18 minus 26 equals negative 8. Next, in evaluating algebraic expression with the grouping symbols used such as parentheses, braces, no? Perform the operation within the grouping symbol before simplifying other operations. So, for example, evaluate 4 times the quantity 2x minus 3 when x is equals to 2. So, for the solution, 4 times quantity 2x minus 3 is equals to 4. Then, this is the, the symbol for grouping. So, 2 times 2 minus 3. 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 3, that is 1. So times 4, then the final answer is 4. Okay? Next. Find the value of expression 4 times quantity AB minus 3C if A is equals to 2, B is equals to negative 1, and C is equals to 3. So 4 times quantity AB minus 3Z, so it equals 4 times quantity, so your A is 2, your B is negative 1, minus 3 times 3. So start from the inside, no? So 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. So, and then 3 times 3, or negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. So we get here. Alright, let's continue. So negative 2 plus negative 9 is negative 11. Then multiply by 4. No? So we have negative 44. Okay? Next. Evaluate using the given values. A is equal to negative 2, B is 1, and C is equal to 0, and D is equal to 2. Alright, so what are you going to do with this? So we need to substitute all the values of the letters. So we have negative 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2. Okay, so negative 2 and then 2. Then 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. Okay, ganun lang kadali. Huwag nyo pahirapan sarili nyo. Okay, so we have 29, no? So 29 minus 3 times yung B is positive 1, no? So plus C, which is 0, plus 5 times 2. So we got 29 times 3. 29 minus 3 plus 5 times 2 is 10. So 0 plus 10 is equals to 10. Then we have 29 minus is 26. Right? 26 plus 10. The answer is 36. Okay, next. So we have negative 2 over 0 plus 2 times times 1. So times 1. Alright, negative 2 divided by 0 is 0. Plus 2. We get still times 1 is 2. So the answer is 2. Okay, next. 5 times. Okay, your A is negative 2 plus 6 times 2 over 9. So we got 5 times negative 2 is negative 10 plus 12 over 9. So we have 2, okay, over 9. So the answer is 2, 9. Next, we have 4AD minus A squared plus 2B plus 5C. So we have 4 times negative 2 times 2 minus negative 2 square plus 2 times negative 2 no? B, no? So 2b, that is 1. Okay, so 1 plus 5c. 5c is equal to 0, no? So what are we going to do with this? 4. Alright. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Minus negative 2 times negative 2 is equals to positive 4. Plus 2 plus 5 times 0 is equals to 0. No? So 4 times negative 4 is negative 16 minus 4 plus 2. So we have negative 16 plus negative 4 is negative 20 plus 2. So the final answer is negative 18. That's it, no? Alright, so more questions? Any? Alright, for questions and clarifications, just write it at the comment section. So remember, gratitude is the best attitude. And before I go, one, subscribe. 2, like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell button for the next notification. 3, like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4, subscribe. Thanks for watching and watch more. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. This is your teacher, Marifi. Bye-bye. See you next time.